Hello viewer, we have taken that style of the layer, then apply over it, change the gradient styles. I will take that pen tool shapes. So there we are. I will use it and apply the image over it. Drag an image, stretched it, made it fixed. Then create the clipping mask over the shape. So there we have it. We will try to use the razor tool on that selected area. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.